So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till that of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. Maybe I said it twice. So if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots. So let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Three of Cups. It's like Pisces, they are in this energy of being very sure that right now they want their freedom. They feel like they should be free, they should be independent, they should work on themselves, and they are cutting the threads, cutting the energy of connecting or reconnecting with you because they feel like this is not mandatory right now. So basically, right now they feel like they should listen to their mind over their heart, and their mind is continuously telling them to work on themselves, their money, their job, their career, and not to lose their independence for anything or anyone, including you, including this connection between you and them. And they definitely feel like they should work on themselves so beautifully that they will be able to attract whatever is meant for them naturally. But right now they are not listening to their heart. They are kind of very much in adamant kind of energy of no, no, no. So whenever, even if we are being in the independent state, we should listen to our heart. Listening to our heart doesn't mean that we have to go by, like, towards somebody and be with them. Listening to our heart sometimes means like, okay, even if we feel something for someone, we should focus on ourselves more than that energy. God, I got scared. Yep, I got shit scared. This was so loud. I'm not used to loud things anymore. Yeah, I go to clubs sometimes, but that too, 1 hour maximum, and bye. Okay, anyway, so let's see what this person wants from you, Pisces. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Okay, honey, calm down. We're okay. We are together. Okay, love you. I talk to my cards like this. So they want to get over this pain that they experienced because of this situation, this connection between you and them, by distracting themselves with multiple things, multiple situations, and multiple, wow, works, I guess. See, the thing here is they don't even want to think about this connection, and whatever it takes, like from their side, to distract themselves from feeling the pain, from experiencing the pain that they are experiencing because of this situation, they are going to do that shit. They just don't want to connect with their heart, and they don't want to feel the pain. They just want to be focused on themselves, on their money, their job, their career, and distracting themselves as much as they can from the reality, from the truth. Basically, totally disconnected with their heart and soul, and connected with their mind. This is what we do when we are not connected to our heart. We try to do everything that distracts us from feeling our feelings because we don't want to get hurt, because we don't want to feel the hurt. It's a courageous thing to connect with your heart. Very courageous. I'll talk to you guys about what it really feels when the heart chakra opens. I'll definitely talk to you guys about this someday, like everybody of you, not Pisces only. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 8th of December, honey. It's like they're on the verge of texting you, then they're holding back. Texting you, holding back. Calling you, holding back. Again, because they are listening to their ego big time, they are going to pretend they don't even think about you. It's not like that, Pisces. They do think about you from time to time, but they don't want to face the truth and the reality of the situation for whatever it is. That is why this person is pulling back, trying to pull back their energies from the situation as much as they can, as deeply as they can, because it sucks. It sucks to face the reality. It sucks to understand the truth of the situation. So they are on the verge of connecting, then they are like, I don't want to. then they are on the verge of texting you, I don't want to, calling you, I don't want to. Even if you are going to text or call them, they are going to make you feel like, oh, they don't even care about you. It's not like that. Right now they are completely disconnected with their heart. That is why they're all these things, they are doing all these things. Let them do whatever they are doing. Right now you should not be focused on yourself. See, the universe is clearly telling me to tell you, the guidance here is to open up to new people, explore new things, do things that you're really passionate about, like traveling or painting or going somewhere else and having a good hobby, or maybe connecting with new people for a new connection. Whatever it is, don't put your life on hold for somebody who is not sure about you, or somebody who is not willing to open up to you. This is not your problem, this is theirs. Please don't make it yours. Hmm? You are two separate people with two separate lives. Try to understand that you are having a different journey, they are having a different journey. Let them do whatever they want to. This is their life, and you do whatever you feel like you should do, instead of waiting for this person or for the situation to come back around. Yeah, basically, don't put your life on hold for anything or anyone. You should not. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.